You have a choice in your child's education.
In order to enroll in Pivot Charter School, you can go to the website at pivotnorthbay.com. Make sure to go to the correct website for your school location. Once on the website, you'll want to click the Enroll Now button at the top. That'll take you to a page with a few options where you can fill out an inquiry form, call and speak to our site coordinator, or create an account and enroll online. In order to create an account online, you're going to want to click the Create Account button. If you already have an account, you will log in. By clicking the Create Account button, it will take you to the parent and student portal for our Pivot Charter School, where you can register your student online. You'll want to create a username that will be your email. Let us know your household last name and then provide a phone number so that you can create an account. I'll be using my work email to show for the video. Once you filled out the information, you'll get an email and you want to check your email. The email you'll get from the school will be titled Enroll in Pivot Charter School. You should see the logo with the correct school name at the top, and then general information about our school throughout the email. In order to continue to your account, you'll scroll down toward the bottom where it'll tell you your username and then give you a link in order to set your password. Click the link to change your password. You'll want to make sure that you have a strong password. It's going to contain at least one capital letter, one lowercase letter, a number, and a special character. It also needs to be more than 8 characters long. It'll tell you if you have a strong password and then if your passwords match. Once you've been able to do that, you will hit save. Once you've set your password, it's going to take you to Reg Online. It's going to remind you what your username is, which is the email that you're using. And there's going to be 2 areas that you're going to need to fill out. The first is the household area. And that's going to include information about your household, as well as the parents or guardians associated in that household. The second area is the application, where you're going to add the students. You'll know you're done with Reg Online when you turn the icons from red to green, and you turn your red X's into green check marks. You'll need to turn both the household area and the application area to green in order to finish the application. In the household information, you'll choose your residence category. It's important to choose the most accurate residence category as schools are funded specifically based on this question. If you have any questions about your residence category selection, please call your school's site coordinator. You'll also choose the county for which you live. The contact information for this household, your physical address, your mailing address, and then hit save. There is an area where you can attach your proof of residency. This is required for enrollment in any California public school. It's often a utility bill like electric, gas, or water with your name and address on the bill. You can also use a rental or lease agreement or mortgage documentation. Please contact your site coordinator if you have any questions about proof of residency. If you're unable to upload your proof of residency in the online portal, then you can bring a physical copy to the school site or a scan. Please contact your site coordinator if you would prefer to bring in a physical copy. You must also include at least one parent or guardian. To add a parent, expand this area and type in all the information. Everything that is required will have a red asterisk next to it. Once you've filled it out, you'll hit Save New Parent Guardian Record. You can add multiple parents and guardians to your household. Once this area is complete, you can move on to the application page. This is where you will add new students. If you have a student already enrolled at Pivot Charter School and you're using this online registration portal for the first time, you can attach your student with the Find My Student area. By using their last name and birthday, you can find the student and add them to your household. They may already be attached to a household if someone else enrolled them using the online registration portal. If you have any questions about this, please contact your site coordinator. In the new student application, you will need to select if they are a new student for the upcoming school year or if they are currently a pivot student and they're returning. You'll also fill out their information and then save their record. After filling out the student information, there are a few documents you do need to sign. Keep in mind, in order to sign, you need to unlock here and then sign and then lock. Type your name into the box and then save the document. So again, you'll have to click unlock, sign, lock, and then type your name and save. You'll have to do this a few times and you'll want to read each statement before you sign. Once you've signed, lastly, there's a housing questionnaire that you want to fill out and sign and save. If you still have any red X's, you're going to want to turn those to green. So expand each section until you find where the red X is. It goes over here. So we will re-sign and save. I can see now that the student documents are green, but there's still some more information in the student record that I need to fill out. You'll know your application is done when you've gotten the household area to be green, application area to be green, and then you can click finish. When you've finished, you're able to download your confirmation or email your confirmation. You will get contacted by your site coordinator in the next few days as they process your enrollment. If you have any questions, please call the number on the screen and they can talk you through your application. Thank you.